How to add music to Instagram post after posting. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to add music to Instagram post after posting. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch your Instagram application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Once you get access to your profile page, you need to select any image or post where you want to add music to. Once you have selected the post, tap on three dots next to it. After that, on this section, you have to select edit option and then tap on add music at top of the screen next to add location. And after that, from your For You section, or you can also simply browse or tap the search icon at top of the screen and search any music which you want to add on your Instagram post. Once you have selected, you can easily select the duration of the song and then tap on the tick mark at the top right corner of the screen. You can also choose whether you want to choose the clip duration to 25 seconds or 20 seconds or anyone and tap the down button. Once you are done, tap the tick mark at top right corner of the screen and select the tick mark at top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, when you come back and refresh the page, you will see that we have successfully added music to Instagram post after posting. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.